Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be talking about what I did between the last video and this video. So yeah, let's jump into it. So I made this new prototype sword-ish. I really zoomed in on the details. I even went a little off. I even had it was a little off sometimes. So it's just some of the things are just not filled in correctly because I was doing it drag down the line. So sometimes my mouse went like that. So instead of going straight down, it went like that. And so if you see any off spots, then yeah, that's why. Yeah. So I actually made this and this color was a little bit better, but I made it again, and I decided I wanted this color instead. But then I zoomed in on it with more pixels, and I decided I want the other look is not what I wanted. So I went in and I did stuff this stuff. I went around the edges and I painted painted the thing. If you can consider pixel art painting, but and when I went in, I erased most of this stuff. Is for some reason there was a lot of the white stuff on it, and yeah, I got rid of some of the stuff that I didn't want on it. And yeah, I really zoomed in on the detail for this, and I'm working on a script like I did with the bow for the pickup. When I pick the sword up, for example, it'll appear in my inventory. So yeah, that's what the script's gonna do. Yeah, the script's just run over it, pick it up, basically, and it'll work in connection to the other scripts that I'm gonna put on it. I'm gonna animate it, something like that, like a combo move, for example. And I'll animate it like that, do the animator, and then I'll transfer the component from the bow over to it, the animating for the animator component. No, I mean the turn off animator on start script from the bow to the sword, which I named Filled Pixel Art Sword because before I forgot to do this part because the background looks so much in the inside that I wanted it to be. I filled that up, so that's why I named it Filled Pixel Art Sword. And yeah, I making some progress. Put my sword next to all the other things that I made. I'm still keeping this just in case to find a use for it later. Maybe this can be the whatever knightly sword. So see, there it is, the white stuff. That's what I wanted to get rid of. Even though it looks good on this one, it was kind of off on the other one for some reason. So just not to get too much into detail, but even though I did get a lot into detail, yeah, I'm gonna shrink this, transfer it up over to the top-down engine, Peter top-down engine thing. But yeah, and then I'll change everything and make it because if you transfer them, for some reason it's not a sprite and it's just the default. So yeah, Yeah, so I already transferred it. I changed it, as you can see, from it used to be default, but now it's Sprite 2D and UI. And I will go into the sprite editor and stuff, and like, I need this sword to be pretty good too, like as good as the bow, like with as many animations as the bow. Not as many, but you know what I mean. And like, I'm gonna add like the light effect. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the bow like on this side, and then a wall separating them, and then a sword on the other side, and maybe put a wall between there, and then maybe just to add some randomness to my game. One side, if you get spawned on this side, then you get the bow, and if you get spawned on this side, then you get the sword. So top side bow, bottom side sword. And after I do that, I'll fix up these coins. I think what I did is I conjoined the light for light control. For the light control, I think that's applying to the coins and the bow, so they both have like the shining effect, which is not what I want. I only want it to apply for the bow, so I should change that down a little. So just like 10. As you can see, both of them are affected. If I change it back to 20, then there's really light. Too light, if you ask me. And already the coins are brighter than the bow, which, yeah. So some changes to make, and yeah, still some difficulties with like when I play, I get like a bunch of errors for some reason, but it doesn't impede with the game. I will have to fix those at some point, just not like right now. Or maybe right now, depends on how serious they are. So, just like an overview of like what I'm thinking. And I think that's it for this video. Bye.